स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 28/8/2007 / order of sentence dated 29/8/2007 passed by the Court of Learned Sessions Judge, Bhiwani, whereby he convicted and sentenced the accused Rajesh to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 10 years and to pay a fine of rupees 15,000 under section 376 of IPC, and in default of payment of fine to further undergo rigorous imprisonment for 2 years. Stop para. The factual score records that on 12/9/2006, the prosecutrix in bracket to prevent social victimization, name of the prosecutrix / victim is not being indicated in view of Prem Prakash versus State of Rajasthan 2008 in bracket 4 bracket out. Recent criminal reports 539 in bracket SC made a statement before Satyavan, assistant sub inspector, in the terms that on that day at about 2/2:30 p.m. she carried lunch for her father to their bada in bracket enclosure bracket out. Stop. Her father was erecting chan in bracket thatched roof bracket out of Suraj Bhan. Stop. Finding her alone, the accused came over there and broke the string of her salwar and started having sexual intercourse with her after having stuffed her chunni in bracket headgear bracket out in her mouth, due to which she could not raise hue and cry. Stop. Meanwhile, her father came there. Stop. On catching sight of him, the accused took to his heels. Stop. The chunni was taken out from her mouth by her father. Stop. The negotiations for compromise did not make headway. Stop. On the basis of this statement, formal FIR was registered. Stop. The accused was put under arrest. Stop. After completion of investigation, the charge sheet was laid in the court for trial of the accused. Stop para. The accused was charged under section 376 of IPC, to which he did not plead guilty and claimed trial. Stop. In order to bring home guilt against the accused, the prosecution examined PW1 Dr. Amrita Bharadwaj, PW2 Sub-Inspector, PW3 Sub-Inspector Jaipal Singh, PW4 Prosecutrix, PW5 Prakash, father of the prosecutrix, PW6 Satbir Singh, draftsman, PW7 Madan Singh, PW8 Head Constable Rajpal Singh, PW9 Constable Rajesh, PW10 Dr. Neeraj, PW11 Assistant Sub Inspector Investigating Officer, and closed its evidence. Stop para. When examined under section 313 of CRPC, the accused denied all the incriminating circumstances appearing in the prosecution evidence against him and pleaded innocence as well as false implication. Stop. In his defense, he examined Suraj Bhan, DW1. Stop para. After hearing the learned public prosecutor for the state, the learned defense counsel, and examining the evidence on record, the learned trial court convicted and sentenced the accused as noticed at the outset. Stop. Feeling aggrieved therewith, he has preferred this appeal. Stop para. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties, besides perusing the record with due care and circumspection. Stop para. To begin with, Mr. Anil, advocate, on behalf of the appellant, urged with great eloquence that a meticulous perusal of the statements recorded under sections 161 and 164 CRPC would reveal that it is a case of consensual intercourse, as the prosecutrix was 19 years of age at the material time, comma, but this stark fact has been ignored by the learned trial court, stop. It is deducible from the prosecutrix's statement that it was only on catching sight of her father that she raised hue and cry, stop. तो दोस्तों ये लगभग 115 की स्पीड का हो गया है डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। इसको लेके बताइएगा कैसा लगा और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करिएगा। स्पीड ज़्यादा थी कम थी, क्योंकि इसमें नाम भी आए हुए हैं, क्रिमिनल मैटर है, क्रिमिनल मैटर में नाम आते ही हैं, ओके। तो और जैसा कि आपको ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन डिक्टेशंस चाहिए हैं तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, बाय बाय।